Good morning, everyone. My name is Hanif Abdul Salam, student ID 6713458. Today I will explain congruence and its three properties: reflective, symmetric, and transitive. What is congruence? Congruence is used in number theory. We say that A is congruent to B modulo n. If A and B have the same remainder when divided by n, we write it as A is congruent to B modulo n. Example of congruence. For example, 17 is congruent to 2 modulo 5. When we divide 17 by 5, the remainder is 2. When we divide 2 by 5, the remainder is also 2. So 17 is congruent to 2 modulo 5. Reflective property. The first property is the reflective property. This property means every number is congruent to itself. Example reflective. For example, 20 is congruent to 20 modulo 5. This is true because every number has the same remainder as itself. Symmetric property. The second property is the symmetric property. This property means if A is congruent to B, then B is congruent to A. Example symmetric. For example, if 17 is congruent to 2 modulo 5, then 2 is also congruent to 17 modulo 5. The order does not change the result. Transitive property. The third property is the transitive property. This property means if A is congruent to B and B is congruent to C, then A is congruent to C. Example transitive. For example, 20 is congruent to 15 modulo 5. 15 is congruent to 10 modulo 5. So 20 is congruent to 10 modulo 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, congruence means having the same remainder when divided by the same number. The three properties of congruence are reflective, symmetric, and transitive. Thank you for listening.